In my university lecture, we just learnt about IEEE 754 arithmetic using the following table. Now let's dive into the problem at hand. A subtraction example involving two numbers represented in a format with 4-bit significance. We have to handle this subtraction using additional guard, round, and sticky bits to ensure accurate results, so let's see how it unfolds. The solution to this problem involves carefully shifting one operand to match the exponent of the other, while keeping track of any significant bits that shift into the guard, round, and sticky positions. By following the specified rules for rounding and conducting the subtraction operation, we can arrive at the correct result. It's fascinating how these extra bits play a crucial role in performing accurate arithmetic operations, ensuring precision in the final outcome. Let's recap the process we went through to solve this IEEE 754 arithmetic problem. By effectively utilizing the guard, round, and sticky bits, we were able to conduct the subtraction operation accurately and obtain the normalized result. Remember, precision is key in such computations, and these extra bits serve as the safeguard to ensure the correctness of the final outcome. Stay tuned for more intriguing mathematical challenges. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Math can be fun too, you know.